serving. Jersey number 11. Good serve. Get by Andy. Set by Riley. Jewel. Drop ball. And what a drop ball by Althea D. Our score is 1-0 in favor of the Elite Girls. Now serving jersey number 8, Riley Norman. Good serve. Get by jersey number 12, 3. Over. Get by their libero, Riley. Set by Jewel. Hey, score is 0-1. Ayan na. Nakakatakot. Now serving jersey number 10. Good serve. Get by Andy. Set by Riley. Sophia. Drop ball. Get by jersey number 11. Set by 10. Lee. Short. Score is 2-1 in favor of the Elite Girls. Now serving jersey number 3, Sophia Bagsil. Good serve. Get by the libero. Over. Get by Sophia. Set by Riley. Olivia. What a spike. Uy, pinitin agad. What a spike by jersey number 3, their team captain, Lee. Score natin is 0-2. Now serving the captain, Lee. Service error. Score is 3-2 in favor of the Elite Girls. Now serving Althea D. Good serve. Get by over by jersey number 11. Get by Danica. Set by Riley. Bree. What a cross-court spike. Over by jersey number 2. Get by Althea. Set by Riley. Brianna. Drop ball. And what a drop ball by jersey number 3. Santos. Still on serving, jersey number 5, Althea D. Good serve. Get by service ace by jersey number 5, Julian Althea D. Home name na. Still on serving, Althea. Another good serve, got by jersey 11. And another service ace by Julia Althea D. Ni short Jules. Grabe. Sa service mo pala inalabas lahat ng galing mo. Still on serving Jules. Service error, score is 6-3. Now serving jersey number 2. What the serve! Service ace by jersey number 2. Our score is 6-4 in favor of Elite Girls. Still on serving jersey number 2. Service error, score. Good serve. Kinuha ni Danica. Sinet. Brianna. Pumalo. Not over. Score. 7-5. Get ready for next game, Championship Boys. Lukban versus Magalia. Good serve by jersey number 1, kinuha ni Erica. Sinit ni Rainy. Over by Olivia, but not over. Score is 7-6. Isa na lang po ang lamang ng Elite Girls. Still on serving, jersey number 2. Good serve, set by Riley. Bree. Beijing Ken at Garay. Now serving, jersey number 8, Olivia Rodriguez. Good serve, get by the libero. Service ace, by jersey number 8, Olivia Enriquez. Still on serving, jersey number 8, Olivia. Another good serve. Erica. Ay! Score is 9-7. Ayan na. Ang baby ng Elite Girl. Now serving. Number 5. Good serve. Get by Brianna. Set. Matsil. Get by Matsil. Good. Score is 9-8. Bola, bola, bola. Yan. Isa nila po alaman ng Elite Girls. Still serving, jersey number 5. Good serve. Get by Alexa. Hey. Over. Number 10, number 11, drop ball, get by Rainy. Set by Erica. Brianna, nag-hesitate. Ginawa ni jersey number 5. Set by jersey number 10. Over 10. Get by Erica. Riley. Ang ganda nun! And what a spike by jersey number 3, Brianna Santos. Score natin is 10-8. Now serving, jersey number 3, Brianna Santos. Good serve, get by jersey number 2, and service ace by jersey number 3, Santos Brianna. Still on serving, Brianna. Good serve, get by jersey number 2. Drop ball, but outside. Another service ace, by jersey number 3, Brianna. Good serve. And another service ace para Brianna Santos. Score is 13-8. Again, this is raised to 21 points. Still on serving, jersey number 3, Santos. Another good serve. Set by jersey number 10. Kaso masyadong malakas. Score is 14-8. Miset. Substitution. Sarina in, Althea D out. Now serving, jersey number 3, Santos. Good serve, get by D. And service ace para kay Santos Brianna. Ayaw sumabay ni Sofio. Still serving, Santos. Good serve, get by jersey number 2. Set, drop ball. Ooh, what a drop ball by jersey number 11. Score is 59. Now serving jersey number 11. Good serve. Get by Mamikay. Set. Bansil. Pumalo. Number 10. Pumalo. Nice up. Alexa. Nice save. But outside. Grabe. Sinayang daw ang save ni Alexa. Now serving jersey number 11. Outside score is 16-10. Anim na po ang kalamangan ng Elite Girls. Now serving jersey number 8. Riley Garnet. Good serve. Sinet. Pumalo si Lee. Get by Brianna. Set by. Good. Sayang. Score is 16-11. Now serving. Good serve. Get by Sar. Set. Bansil ng Gigel. Nakita ko yung mukha ng Gigel si Sophia. Baba po sa apat na kalamangan ng Ining Girls. 16-12. Still on serving. Jersey number 10. Good serve. Get by Star. Set. Bansil in over. Get by jersey number 10. Drop ball. Get by Mamikay. Set. Bansil. Good! What a hassle para kay jersey number 11 ng St. Anthony. Grabe. Score natin is 17-12. Substitution. Olivia out. Juliana in. Ayan, ang mga baby, ang mga freshmen ng Elite Girls, bumapasok na. Good serve. Check ball. Service ace. Para kay Bansil. Outside training. Still on serving. Bansil. Good serve. Sinet. Papaluin ni Lee. Get by Bansil. Uy! Nice pass kay Coach Galing. Aray. Substitution. Ayan na. Ang ating cheerleader. Jersey number 14. Kate Rodriguez. Ang multi-talented. Good serve, service error. 19-13, dalawa na lang. At papasok na sa championship ang Elite Girls. Elite Boys versus Lukban. Next game. Now serving. Good serve. Binalik. Sinet. Kate. Papalo. Nakita ko yung yung ningning sa mata niya. Minsan lang ito mangyayari. Hindi mo ba nagawa? Good sir. Get by Ezra. Set. Brianna. Pumalo. Over. Ay! Sayang. Score is 19-15. Apat na lang po kalamangan ng Elite Girls. Dalawa na lang kailangan nila. Now serving jersey number 2. Good serve. Get by Ezra. Get by Bree. Bree. Pumalo. Over receive. And isa na lang po. Grabe. Big first ball si Ezra. First time in history, consistent siya. Now serving ang hindi naabot ng bola. Kate Rodriguez. Over. Get by Kate. Giliana. Ayan! Over. Get by Star. Bree. Pumano. Ayun. Number 10. Drop ball. And that will be the end of our game. Ang makakalaban ng Lukban Elementary School. Yes, ang elite girls. Parehas na naman. BF versus Lukban. Last year, BF versus St. Anthony. But this year, BF versus Lukban.